Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, student. How are you today? Is it fine?
Fine.
Okay. Before we start the lesson, I will check your attendance. Please raise your hand whenever I call your name, and then say present or yes or I'm here. Did you get it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, the first one, Yuliastika, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Eka Yulianti,
I'm here, Miss.
Fauzan Abdillah Siregar,
I'm Hermes.
Muhammad Nasir Asibuan,
Yes, Miss.
Sabto Masila.
I'm here.
Okay, I will start share screen share. Okay, before I start, can you see what picture it is?
It's a clock, Miss.
Yes, a clock. So, beside using a clock or watch or smartwatch, where can you find the information about time? Yuliastika.
From the laptop, Miss.
Okay, from the laptop. Fauzan Abdillah. Eka Yulianti. Where can you find the information about time?
Smartwatch, Miss.
Smartwatch.
From
Anything
gadget,
else?
like tablet or smartphone.
Okay, I think that's the gadget is common you have, right? So we come to our topic. From this picture, what do you think? What do you think about our topic today?
Time, Miss.
Time. So our topic today is what time is it? We come to the activity 1. In this unit, you will learn about how to ask and tell the time to others. Before you listen to and talk about a conversation on how to ask and tell the time, let's watch the video. Please pay attention on this video. Okay, let's discuss the video. From the video you have watched, people asking and telling the time to others. So I'm gonna invite Eka Yulianti. Have you ever asked the time to your friend or the other people?
Yes, Miss, I have.
Okay, when did you ask the time to your friend?
Really, I ask when I don't bring my own smartwatch.
Okay, and how did you ask the time to your friend?
It's like, Yulia, what time is it?
Okay, good answer. Thank you, Eka. And okay, next, I'm gonna invite Yulia Astika. Are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. The next question, have you ever told the time to your friend or other people?
Yes, I have, Miss.
Okay. How did you tell them?
If my friend asks the time to me, I will tell it's time 7 o'clock maybe, or it's time 9 o'clock, like that, Miss.
Okay, nice answer. Thank you. Nice answer. Okay, we come to the activity 2. Now you will learn the social function, expression, and also language features from the conversation, asking and telling time. We come to the social function. The social function of asking and telling the time is being able to ask questions and talk about them. And maybe you can use the expression of asking and telling the time by correctly. Okay, here's the expression of asking the time. Sabto Musila, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Can you read the expression of asking the time, please?
Well, thanks for the time. The expression of asking the time. What is it? What time is it? What time is it, please? What's the time, please? When does the play start? What time does the play finish? Have you got the time, please? Could you tell me the time, please? Could you please tell me when the store opens?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, finish.
Eka Yulianti, can you read the expression of telling the time?
So here the expression of telling the time. The first is it's 6:45 or it's 6:45. Then it starts at 8 o'clock and it finishes at 10:14 or 10:15 or 10:15, and it's open at 9 o'clock, at 5 o'clock, at 7 a.m. or p.m., in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night.
Okay, thank you. Next, let me explain the expression of telling the time. So, this if our hand is pointed to number 2 and the minutes hand is pointed to 12, it means 2 o'clock. So if we go around, it would be 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock. And in 12, you can say in the midnight or in the midnight at night, and noon in the noon. So here are the some expression to say to tell the time. We can use the British style, and then we can use the American style. If American style, you just say 2:05. If we going to 5 minutes interval from 12, so it will be 2:05. And then if we go a 5-minute interval again, it would be 2:10, 2:15, 2:20, 2:25, 2:30, 2:35, 2:40, 2:45, 2:50, 2:55. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. If in the British style, you can anything number after 12 until 6, you can add past. So it would be it's 5 past 2, 10 past 2, quarter past 2, 20 past 2, 25 past 2, half past 2. And then you can say 25 2, and anything a number after 6 until 12, you can add 2. So you can say 25 to 3, or 20 to 20 to 3, or it's a quarter to 3, 10 to 3, it's a 5 to 3. So the common expression that usually used is American style, but you also can use the American style, British style. And the differences between in Indonesia and English. In Indonesia, maybe we can use pukul 13.00, 14.00, but in English, they use AM and PM. AM used in the when the time in the 12 in the midnight and until 12:59 in noon, and PM used in 12 at noon until 11:59. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, get it, Miss.
Okay, to check your understand, I'm gonna ask you question. Fauzan, are you here?
Yes, yes, Miss.
Fauzan, are you here?
Yes, yes, Miss.
Can you answer the first picture? What time
Yes,
is it?
Miss. It's 1 o'clock.
Right. And the second picture?
It's 1:10 or 1:10 past 1.
Okay. The last picture?
It's 1:15 or it's 1/4 past 1.
Okay, now it's answered. So next, Yulia, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. From the first picture, what time is it?
It's 1:20.
Okay, right. The second picture?
It's 1:30.
Or in American style? British style?
It's 1:30, Miss.
Okay, yes. And the last picture?
It's 1:40 or it's 22.
Okay, nice. Tomusila, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Can you answer from the first picture, please? What time is it?
Well, picture we can see that in American style is 1:45, but we can
Okay.
see in British style is 1:45.
Okay, nice. For the second question? What time
In
is it?
American style, can see 1:50, and in British style we can see 10 to.
Okay, nice. And the last picture?
It is 12 o'clock, or we can say 12 p.m. or p.m.
Okay, yes, right. Thank you. Okay, now we come to the preposition. Okay, asking and telling the time you can use at with a particular point on the clock, like at 7 and at night. Example is, I go to school at 7 in the morning. Did you get it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Another expression is around, until, before, and after. So now you will listen to and talk about some conversation of asking and telling the time to others. Imagine that you are the person who asks the time. As you listen to the conversation, try to see in your mind how to ask and tell the time to others. Okay, here's the conversation one. I'm gonna play the audio. Please listen carefully.
Hmm.
We come to the conversation 3. Okay, in this conversation, I want some of you to read this conversation. Who want to read? Anyone? What student?
Eka and Yulia, Miss.
Sorry, I can hear you.
Eka and Yulia.
Eka or Eka, and then
Yulia, Miss.
Yulia. Okay, please go on.
Okay, so the situation is A has a list of places to go today. She calls the place to find out when they opens and closes. B is an employee of the place that A. B. Mrs. Store, can I help you?
Yes. Could you tell me when the Macy's store closed today?
We close at 6:45 in the evening.
I see. And when do you open?
At 9 o'clock.
Fine. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you, Yastika and Eka. We come to activity 3. Now answer the following question from the conversation 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I think you have already read the conversation. Let's answer from the first question. Fauzan, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Can you answer the question from the conversation 1?
Yes, I can.
Okay. For the first question, who are the speaker?
A speaker is NB.
Okay. Why A didn't know the time?
I forget to wear her watch and her phone is running out of battery.
Okay. And what time the B? What time the B? What time that B tell to A?
It's 2 o'clock.
Okay, nice. We come to the conversation 2. I'm gonna invite who want to answer from the conversation 2. Yulia Stika, can you?
Yes, Miss. The first question, the answer is the speaker is A and B.
Okay.
And the second question, and the answer is it 3 o'clock yet?
Yes.
And number 3, the answer is no, it isn't. It's 2:45. And the last one is has problem with her watch and she is not sure what time is it now.
Okay, nice answer. Good job, Julia. And for the last conversation, who want to answer? Anyone?
I wanna try, Miss.
Okay, please go on, Eka.
So the first answer is A is customer and the B is employee.
Okay,
And the second question is the answer is because she want to find out when Macy's store opens and closes.
okay, nice.
Next,
Right.
when the Macy's store open, so the Macy's store open at 9 o'clock. And the last, when the Macy's store close, so the Macy's store close at 6:45 in the evening.
Okay, nice try, Eka. Thank you. And here's the result. So if you have a wrong answer, you can change by the correct answer. This is the conversation 1, 2, and also 3. Okay. Next, we come to the activity 4. Now, write the conversation based on the situation given. Use the conversation above to help you find the appropriate expression. So this is the first conversation. This is my sample. The situation is A as a student and B as a teacher. A as student, B as a teacher. A asks B when the exams start and finish. Here's the student A. A asks B, asks what time the exams start, and then B tell the time. And then student A asks what time the exam end, and then student B tell the time. And the last is student A say thanks, and then student B respond, give a response. So here's the result. So this is the conversation 2 and 3. Find your group and one group stand by 2%. Okay, next week you're gonna show your conversation in front of us. Okay, the last, you will think more deeply about the conversation you have listened to before. Conversation you have listened to before, then discover the speaker's intention in saying it. Okay, in your opinion, is it important to learn how to ask and tell the time? Fauzan, what do you think? Fauzan,
Yes, I'm
okay. What's your opinion about this question?
yes, Miss. Because it's make easier to find information about time.
Okay, it will be easier to give or find information about time. Okay, nice try. And next, okay, from the second question, who want to try to answer the question?
Eka, Miss.
Okay, Eka, do you use to wear watch?
Yes, I do, Miss. I actually wear my smartwatch when I go to the hangout with my friends and go to the campus maybe.
Okay, so you usually use your watch, right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, for the last question, who want to try to answer the question? Juliastika?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, can you answer this question? What's the definition of time for you?
The definition of time is the indefinite continued progress of existence and even in the past, present, and future regard as a whole.
Okay, right. So I have ever read the quotes from Branchley. He said that if you love life, don't waste your time because time is your life. So I think that's all about our lesson today. For your information, next week we'll discuss about greeting cards. So please, our material in your book. And don't forget to do your homework. And thank you for attending my class. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.